Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use the Arc browser, then watch this video. So we will open the browser and we will look for Arc browser download. We will open this link and we will click on download Arc for Windows. Now folks, I've heard this is a very fast browser, even faster than Chrome. So let's see how it works. I'll open the file and I will right click and run as administrator, which is always the better option to do. And it should start installing, downloading, loading key features. It should take very little time. And there you go. We'll just click on it. And it will ask us to enter some details. So I will just enter. I don't have an account, so I will create an account. The email. And we'll put in password. And we will click the I have read the terms of service and privacy policy. Sign in. Create an account, sign in. And right away it asks us if it wants to copy the passwords from Chrome, Edge and Firefox, the three browsers I already have installed on my system. Well, I will say no because I don't want to share my passwords with Arc right now. And we'll click on next. And you can enable the option of artificial intelligence in Arc. So you can say not now. And you can also say no to make it default. It's all your choice. Welcome to Arc. All right. And we will see how this works. So we will go to new tab and we will look for facebook.com, and that is quite fast. We will also look for say youtube.com. So folks, this loads faster than Chrome, and I believe this is much better than Chrome, this browser. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.